So I'm looking for a cheap e-bike that I can restore, basically. Get on and try and find the one I've seen. I'm looking for an e-bike so that I can go for a ride, and then when I get tired and hit the hills and stuff, you know, I'm not struggling too much. I can just use the power assist. The controls all look intact, look like they could work. Brakes are all rusted up. So as you can see, it's very much more rustier than I thought and the picture showed. And there's the wire on it showing that it's had a separate battery fitted to it. So I picked up a can of WD-40 from my local Walmart, and what I'm doing, I'm just going to spray all these rusty bits. Hopefully I can get some spokes for it, put them in, maybe get some new spokes, because I'm not much of a wheel builder. The cheapest e-bike in Canada, well, the cheapest when I bought it on that day on the interwebs. So first thing I need to do is, this chain's just not coming loose, it's not working out at all. There we go. There's nothing on this bike that's not broken. So I'll turn it upside down and let's just see if we can get this control panel off. These wires are really hard because it's cold out here, but it looks like we've got a yellow, a green and a blue that will connect, and this multi-connector that then run to the back wheel. A tricky job. Never seen a bike so badly abused. This one in stock, which was $10, so I thought I'll get that, let's get home, let's start the cleanup. So I threw everything back in my bucket after a good rinse, and took it downstairs and I let them dry out. Meanwhile, it's to get on with the hub. So the derailleur cleaned up really well, but the metal parts of it look at just got little bits of scabby rust on it, so I managed to clean them all off, flatten it down, and then what I did, I've got some silver car paint that I'm just gonna brush over just to give it a light coating to make it look more presentable, as best as a DAYMAK can get anyway. And there's a rusty side. Good side, rusty side. Oh yeah, perfect. That's absolutely perfect fit. That'll work just as planned. Happy with that. Got some power when I want it, and I can use the pedals when I don't want it. Hey, take a look at this video if you want to watch some Harley Davidson crazy action. Till next time.